In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get stun gun in the finals. In order to do that, you first need to head over and as you can see, I have in here this Reddit thread from this user. As you can see, the stun gun is gone. If you have some ideas to complete this contract, as you can see, this is the contract that they're referring with. You can head over and then just use this option. So it counts if they stop by themselves. So it's like 50-50, and if it does, it completes the contract. So if you're damaging them and then they stop, then you get credit for this as well. Now to get the stun gun, since this is actually gone right now, there's no way to get it anymore. You can just head over and then use the ones that we already have so far. So I hope that actually answers your question about getting the stun gun on finals. That's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out in everything that you need. Thank you so much for watching.